Hello! A very gay and a happy evening to each and everyone. The gay that stands here in front of you is Miss Ayu Maravilla, all the way from the Golden Heart city of Marcelo H. del Pilar. And now, according to the news on television, we are the newest Pugon capital of the Philippines, which is Cabanatuan City. And now tonight, ladies and gentlemen, let me carry the image. Ang babae pong una niyong nakita sa first batch ng Starstruck. Opo, ako nga po. Ang babaeng nag-iisang kahawi at kawangis at gumanap bilang Black Darna. Opo, ako nga po. Ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pinikang puso ni Mr. Chris Lawrence. The one and only. My name is Katrina Halili.